Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click on apps. Then you come to apps list here. And here can you looking for Dollar General app or just click here on search. Then here add Dollar General app, just click on it. Then you come to next here, click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list, click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store and you search for Dollar General app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.